asked Bibbers to withdraw the case. What do you want to say? And the audio also is viral.
Sports Baba. Sports is something which has no gender, caste, religion, and it is something which unifies everybody irrespective of all the differences. I fail to understand, Mr. Caetano, why are you making politics on such a sensitive issue? Why are you making certain doctored audios viral? Tu please sang more. Say this one word, Valanka says, te chodan sangota, withdraw the complaint. A very wrong. And hunche chod munshage now pede korpano very easy. Makanta Mr. Caetano ko insar pe zain. Goa Football Association a ekui dekho bail munis na. तुम दादले मुनीस कितकोन गेले ते चोडा मेळपाकू त्या विलांको कितकोन गेले चोडांगे इतू सेन्सिटिव्ह इश्यू तुवान हुंयचे बायल मनशां मेळ तेंगे कित प्रॉब्लेम आहा ते तू दादूल मनशां सांगपा जायना जाल्यार तुमगे जीएफए एकूय बायल ना तुमको वुमेन्स कमिटी कोणू ना कितकोन इश तुमगे तुमी दादल्यां धाडले रे तेंक मेळपाकू आनी दुसरें म्हळ्यार तुम्ही ती गेम केल्या नेक्स्ट डे कित्या एज गरज जाल्ली ती गेम कंडक्ट करपाक I really fail to understand that why Mr. Caetano is politicizing such a sensitive issue and making a so-called a doctored audio of me and defaming me. Please understand, these girls are also somebody's daughters, sisters. You can't, there is a right to privacy. Just because you want to show Valanka Alemão in bad light, you are highlighting such a sensitive issue. And I challenge you to show, even in one recording, Valanka Alemão has said, you please withdraw the complaint. This is not fair, and I have taken a serious call on this, and I have filed a complaint on Mr. Caetano. And I have requested the police to investigate and look into it completely. And please understand, these girls have spoken to the match commissioner, to the vice president, general secretary. There was not a single female. And why was the match conducted on the next day? That was on the 30th. Incident happened on the 28th. I went on the 29th. Before I came, the GFA men officials went to meet those girls. There's not a single woman in Goa. And I, being the All India Football Federation head of Women's Committee, I cannot go and meet those girls. So you have a so-called insecurity because I went to meet those girls and you're highlighting such an issue with bad light. Sorry, please understand. Whoever has done wrong, the girls have given all the facts of the matter. All India Football Federation has taken proper call on this. The probe is on and nobody can go scot-free if he has done something wrong. Please do not ever do this mistake. And this is a special message to GFA. Lokange choda now pede kon tum keso fight जातो mak खबर ना. मातशें अंडरस्टँड करे की कोणू चोड मनशाचे तुमकां तुमगे एडवांटेज हायलायट करपा जाय. थँक्यू. आनी एक म्हाका हें स्पष्ट क्लियर करपाक जाय की वालांका आलेमांव खुद म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनाक गेल्ले PIA मेळ्ळे and I made sure that whatever action has to be taken, FIR is lodged and everything, mind you, will be there on the CCTV at the Mapsa police station. किते मूड जायना बाबा. संवसारा मरे मनशा फोटोवपा जाता पण देवा केन्ना फोटोवपा जायना. हें मातशें न्हू GFA प्रेसिडेंट आनी तेगे ऑफिशियल्सान हाय तें उगडास दवरपा.